remember exactly when it started. Just that it was a strange night when I watched the rotor come to a stop, yet the magnetic field kept shifting. Not instantly, not the way we were taught. It reversed, as if passing through a place where time was no longer linear. I tried again, then again. No power applied, no trigger circuit, just a slow movement of the hand. But each time the compass needle scattered, like it was terrified of something not from this world. I thought maybe it was noise, maybe a glitch. But after dozens of repetitions, I had only one conclusion. What I was seeing didn't come from here. A region where negative time and negative energy intersect, where like poles attract, where physics steps aside to make room for what's been erased. No modern measuring device could see it, but I could. And I knew I wasn't the first. Someone, long ago, had known, then forgot, or was forced to forget. I found a file, no clear source, a diagram with no labels, but holding it in my hands felt like gripping a bone of forbidden history. This wasn't just a blueprint. It was a map to a self-running generator powered by internal feedback loops. No external input. Just assemble it right, tune it to the right harmonic, and it begins to run. I tried it, and now I understand why it's hidden. Why no AI can trace the logic in its wiring. Why Gmail refuses to send the file, instantly converting it into a blank format. You didn't come here to buy a guide. You came to remember that you're not crazy, that somewhere a crack still exists, a narrow one. If you still carry fear, turn back. But if you've come this far, then maybe you already know what to do. Don't call it a design. Don't call it an invention. Call it something we once knew and tried to forget.